Next, we're going to go through the toolbar. So we're going to break these toolbars into 6 different sections, and we're going to start off section 1, which is on the far left hand side. This toolbar contains all the drawing tools and charting tools that you can use directly on the charts to the right side, from simple trend lines to long or short position tools and horizontal support and resistance. There are a lot of options and tools that you can explore on this section. You can also right click to see an extended list of each selection. Right now we are looking at the mouse cross, and you can change this into a dot or an arrow or simply an eraser if you've got some drawings on your chart. So if I select a dot, for example, you can see now my mouse has turned into a dot right here. And if I was to select the eraser tool, I can just click on any drawings to erase them that I'll have made. I'm going to change this back to the cross, and just underneath you've got trend lines. So if we right click or select this right arrow chevron right here, we'll be able to see the extended tool list that we have here. The main ones that I use personally are trend line, horizontal line, vertical line, parallel channel. Those are the main ones that I use. So if I select the trend line, for example, I'm just going to draw a trend line from the swing high right here, and we can see that we've got our trend line right here. If we wanted to erase that trend line, we could select the eraser tool and just click on it, and that would erase it. And real quick, if you're interested in a free crypto trading guide, go to PiggiBacks.com or simply click the link in the description below or in the comment section. And if I just change that to the cross cursor, below that we've got Gann and Fibonacci tools. So we can select a couple of tools here. So we've got Fib retracement, and if you notice to the right of each selection we've got a star, and this will allow us to add it to favorites. And once you add a tool to your favorites, it will make it easier to access it very quickly because you'll have your favorites tool right at the bottom. So if I just select this star icon to make this tool one of my favorites, you can see that there's a pop-up that's just come up right here, and this is now my favorites toolbar. I usually just keep mine right at the bottom here, and the more tools that I add to my favorites, they will appear right here. So whenever I want to use this tool, all I have to do is just select it, and then I can select the swing high right down to the low, and we can see the fib retracement right here using this tool. I'm not going to go deeper into what Fibonacci retracement is. However, it is just a tool that traders use to determine support and resistance areas. If we just select the eraser cursor and erase this tool from our chart,